Jared at Gulliver's Cars once again with our newest customers and my favourite new customers, Helen and Barry. Helen and Barry, how are you today?
Very good, thanks.
This couple are lucky enough to be driving away in this absolutely immaculate inside and out vehicle, which is a Hyundai i30 2014 model. How do you feel about it?
Yeah, it's great. Really good. Yep.
So you guys
Very happy.
you guys came in with a trade-in, which was well, tell us a bit about it.
Oh, the trade-in?
Land Cruiser.
Oh, okay. Yeah, well, we had a Land Cruiser for the last 12 years,
Yep.
which was really good to us. It took us 32,000 kilometres around Australia,
Beautiful.
pulling a caravan, 2 caravans, and then we bought a camper trailer, but unfortunately we never got around to really using the camper trailer.
Yeah,
So our camping days are over, so we've decided to downgrade. I mean, we were sorry to let it go, but we don't really need it.
Yep.
We don't need a big car.
So Land Cruiser and a camper trailer that's never been used.
Yep.
Have traded in for this beautiful i30, which is in diesel. And look, a big congratulations to you guys and well done. Officially, the car is yours.
Thank you very much.
And a big shout out to Tony Lee, who is the stepson of this beautiful couple.
He's my son-in-law.
Son-in-law. And sorry. So big shout out to Tony Lee. Referral bonus coming to you, buddy. And yeah, we'll let you guys go and drive away. Sorry to interrupt at the end of the video there, but yeah, it's obviously a big thumbs up from myself and as well Barry and Helen. Absolutely beautiful couple and lovely to meet you guys. And sorry about the mix-up. I did mean son-in-law. Sorry, Tony. And yeah, thank you everyone that watches these videos. If you can, just take your time for a couple of seconds now and please like and share the video. It would be much appreciated from myself. And yeah, coming up to Christmas, if you guys want a great deal leading up to Christmas, absolutely just get in touch with me. www.gulliverscars.com.au. Make sure that you do ask for Jared because I'm going to give you the best deal, obviously. See you guys.